We have two nonlinear elements characterized by IU relationships, piecewise linear relationships, and now our task is to find a total IU relationship. These elements are connected in series. Then, for the same current, we will add voltages. We have them distinguished points at both I relationships, and in these points we will have to add voltages. So for this first point we have 2 volt, we have 2 volt across the first resistor, 2 volt across the second, which means that we obtain from these 2 points, this point will be obtained. The next point will be a point at 4 volt and 2 amp, and at this point we have 4 volt added by the same 2 volt for the second resistor, which is 6 volt, and below we have the total I relationship for these two elements connected in series. Now same elements but connected in parallel. Now we have the same voltage and we have to add currents, and the same points not exactly the same, as now we are adding currents, currents for the same voltage. So at voltage at 2 volt at this point, which is designated by 1, we have to add 2 amps plus 2 amps, which gives 4. Now at point number 2 we have to add 4 amps and 2 amps from the first element, which will give a 6 amp. As presented here, then below we have the total IU relationship for these two elements connected in parallel.